definition, types, and examples. Participial phrase, also known as participle, are commonly used in English. As a learner of English, you need to master this topic in order to make use of participles in writing and speech correctly. This video contains all you should know about participle phrases in English. We've covered 1. What is a participial phrase? 2. All types of participles. 3. Present participial phrase. 4. Past participial phrase. 5. Adverbial participle phrase. 6. Adjective participial phrase. What is a participial phrase? According to Cambridge Dictionary, a participial phrase or participle is a form of a verb often ending in ed or ing and used with auxiliary verbs to make verb tenses or to form adjectives. According to Merriam-Webster, a participial phrase or participle is a word having the characteristics of both verb and adjective, especially an English verbal form that has the function of an adjective and at the same time shows such verbal features as tense and voice and capacity to take an object.